All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the proven lock, tongue lock that has the built-in way to lock up your chains too. So if that's what you want to see, you're in the right place. All right, so here are the three pieces you're going to get when you buy this lock. You're going to get the part that goes into the tongue, you're going to get the lock itself that takes the key, and you're going to get the shackle that goes over the whole thing and also holds the chains. So it wasn't really intuitive how to use this to me. Maybe I'm just dumb and I couldn't find a really good video online. So here's how I do it. All right, first thing you want to do, take the part that goes into the tongue, put it in, snap it down. That's the last time you'll touch that. All right, now we're going to flip this over and take a look at the inside of this. Let me give you a close-up view. There's a chamber inside here that holds the hooks on the ends of your chains. So we got to get the chains down into here and then feed the links of the chains through these slots. Let's see what that looks like. I highly recommend that you do this wearing a set of gloves like this because you will bust your knuckles otherwise. Okay, so lay your little box down like this. You're going to feed your first shackle through here. Make sure that this is completely inside this box. If there's any part that's coming up in this upper chamber, it will not work. So we're going to try to put this link so that this is completely flush across the top of here, and this shackle is sitting nice and flush inside of there. That's the only way that's going to work. Now we need to do the same thing with this one. It's going to be a little bit tighter in here because now we have two inside. And we want to loop this shackle through this slot. Usually takes a little bit of finagling and patience. Don't even try bothering to force it, because if it's not lining up, it's not going to work. Okay, it looks like this is flush across here. There's nothing that's creeping into the upper chamber right here, so it should work. Let's move to the next step. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to match this slot right here up with this piece right here by placing it over this and sliding it on all at once. If that doesn't work, that means one of the shackles is blocking the chamber up in the top. You need to redo that section. It should fit nice and tight. Let me show you what you're looking for up here. If you did everything correctly, these two pieces right here will be exactly lined up, and the hole in between will go all the way through. That's important because that's where the shackle from the lock is going to go. All right, so if you look at the back side of this lock, you can see that the deadbolt part goes through here, and it's ultimately going to go through those two holes that we lined up, and the key is going to feed in through the bottom. So let's get this deadbolt retracted through so we can now slide it on from the front. I recommend doing this with the key face down so gravity will help you get this thing open. I can never remember which way to turn it for some reason. So now that we have it open, we're going to slide it on to the front of the two pieces that are matched up right here, as so. Should push right in. Take your guess as to which way it needs to turn, and once it's lined up, you should be able to pull the key out, and this piece will stay in place. That's it. Chains are locked inside. Good to go. Hope this helps. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe while you're here for all the helpful trailer content you're looking for. Have a good day.